Hi, it's Adam Kent here from Enado on stand C8478 at Infocomm 24 in Las Vegas. And what a great show it's been. We're on the Friday now, so it's a little bit quieter than the previous 2 days, which have been really busy. But we've got some great things we've been showing a lot of the customers that have been visiting the stand and our partners, and I'd just like to take you through some of those bits and pieces. As you know, Enado stands for Enable and Do. And the idea with that is we think we can control pretty much everything in terms of all of those different verticals and different applications you want. As you can see on the booth, we've got application demonstrations for casinos, sports bars, restaurants, venues, car showrooms, education, retail, hotels, corporate installations, and even residential. Now, one of the things a lot of people aren't aware of is Enado is a web-based controller, and we've been developing the hardware as well for the Enado controller. So what you can see here, we've got a completely redesigned case, vented, with a new UPS battery installed in it, so even if you have power outs or power failures, Enado will continue working and running. So it gives you that flexibility and that understanding that it's a very resilient solution for your particular application and for your customers. One of the things we're also showing today is the integration with Stream Deck. Because Enado is a web-based solution and has breakouts to IP, RS-232 and IR, it means you can take an Enado trigger or an Enado button and copy that command and embed it onto something like a Stream Deck. So here, for example, if I show and you're able to see it, when I hit switch, you'll see the screen actually change to the single version model. And then coming back to the Stream Deck, you can see the capability that allows you to drill down into controlling a Roku and even have those presets set there for those particular applications. So if I hit MLB here, we should see the bottom left-hand corner switch to the baseball. So there you go. So you can actually see how useful that is. Other things we've been working on is a small TCP/IP switch. And the idea for this is if you've got staff that are coming in that wouldn't be used to a particular control solution, you can make it really simple for them to operate. So for example, if I just hit a button here, that could theoretically turn on an entire bar and set the scene and the mode for that, or a video wall or anything. So you can have these installed to control the entire building, perhaps switch it on for morning, lunch, or dinner, or party mode, and change AV, audio, video settings for that particular mode. What you can also do is you can see we've got relays built into this particular version of the Enado controller. So if I hit the on button on the switch here, you'll actually be able to see a simulation of us switching on all the screens in a bar or sports bar. We've been working hard also on the software for Enado. We've done an awful lot of work on video preview for those AV over IP systems that have got the preview image on both the transmitter and the receiver. And what you'll be able to see is that isn't just available on the actual UI on a desktop or a laptop, but you can actually get it on your mobile as well. So what that means is any staff can easily see what is on that particular channel before they switch it. And you see here we've got the presets for the cable, so a sports bar or chain or franchise chain can actually tie down the channels that are suitable for that bar and make sure that the staff can't pick anything inappropriate or unsuitable for that particular environment. And then you can layer it all the way through with the particular control and settings. The entire UI in Enado is completely programmable in any way, shape or form. You can upload your own images and install them onto the application. And obviously, coming back to the overall side of it, what you've got with Enado as a web-based solution, it's equally at home on an iOS device, Android, Windows, Mac, or any other third-party system that you might want to integrate with. We're also Lutron Leap authorized, so we've got the connections and status between that so that you can use a Lutron keypad to control Enado and Enado to control Lutron. So that's just a bit of a snapshot of what we've had on display at Infocomm 24. If you want any more details or any information on where you can buy Enado from, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much.